We thought it was a mouse. They are fighting over a small bird.
I wonder if it was something that was dead. Oh, unless it was one that flew into the window, because we've had a couple fly into the windows. Because that's the side of the house they fly into the windows from.
Well, now they're fighting over who gets to eat it.
Give it to Chook Chook, she gives us better eggs.
Oh, she's got it. It was with Ginger.
Andy's useless at laying eggs.
Andy got it off Ginger.
Yes,
Yes, I know.
And
Hey, look. She's all dejected.